Struggling to add a new organization in Xero without logging out? Here is exactly how to do it in under 5 minutes. I will walk you through logging in, finding the Add button, and filling in the details. Let us start. So the first step is logging into Xero. Now, you probably already know how to do this, but just head to the Xero website and sign in with your regular credentials. This is the same account you use for everything else. Once you are in, you will see your main dashboard. Usually it shows your most recently used company or the first one you set up. All right, once you are logged in, look at the very top left corner of your screen. You should see the name of your current organization right there. It might say something like My Company or whatever you named your first business. This is the key spot we are going to click on. Go ahead and click that organization name. Now a drop-down menu appears. This is a handy little menu that shows all the companies you have access to. But right now, we only see one. At the very bottom of that list, there is an option that says Add New Organization. That is exactly what we need. Click on that. Now we get to the setup form. The first field you will see is for the organization name. This is the official name of your new company. Keep it simple and accurate. Maybe something like ABC Consulting or Jane's Bakery. Type it in nice and clear. Avoid using nicknames or abbreviations because you will see this name everywhere in Xero. This is really important because Xero uses the country to set up the right tax rates and reporting formats. So if your new business operates in the United Kingdom, pick United Kingdom. If it is in Australia, pick Australia. Choose the correct one from the drop-down list. Do not guess on this one. Then you need to pick the base currency. This is the main currency your company will use for its transactions. If you are based in the United States, that is US dollars. If you are in Europe, it is euros. Again, pick carefully because changing this later can be a hassle, so take your time here. Now, before we finish, let us review the organization details. Go ahead and look over everything you just entered. Check the name, the country, and the currency. Make sure there are no typos. This is your moment to catch any mistakes before we make it official. Everything looking good? Great. Now click the big blue button that says Create Organization. Xero will process this for a moment. It might take a few seconds, so just hang tight. And there you go. Now, to make sure it worked, let us verify the creation. Look at the top left corner again. Click on your organization name. You should now see your new company listed right there alongside the old one. It will show both names. That is how you know it is live. And here is the best part. You can switch between organizations anytime you want. Just click that same top left menu, then click on whichever company you want to work in. It is that simple. No logging out, no re-entering passwords, just click and go. So now you have 2 companies set up and you can move between them freely. That is really all there is to it. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching.